Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to reset progress in Monopoly Go mobile. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Monopoly Go application and log in using your user credentials. Now, after logging in, you will see this page. Here, what you can do is simply click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen, click on Settings, click on Manage Account and disconnect your account from Facebook and Play Store. This will instantly reset all the progress on Monopoly Go account. You'll have to relink your Facebook or Google Play to get your progress back. Now if you want to reset progress for your account, you can click on account deletion button here. Then scroll down on this page, click on delete my account, enter your name and email, then click on next, follow the prompts, delete your account, and this will reset all the progress on your Monopoly Go mobile. Now, another way to do this is simply navigate to Monopoly Go application, click on the eye icon that is app info section, navigate to storage, then click on clear cache. After this, click on clear data and select delete here. And as you can see, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, setting, account, databases, etc. This will instantly reset the progress on your Monopoly Go mobile. Another way to do this is navigate to Play Store, search for Monopoly Go, click on uninstall here, click on uninstall again, then reinstall this application to reset the progress on Monopoly Go mobile. So these were the simple ways through which you can do that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.